In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove likes on LinkedIn. Whether you tapped like by mistake or you've changed your mind about a post, I'll walk you through the quickest ways to undo it, both right away and later on. First, log into your LinkedIn account. On your homepage, you'll see your feed filled with posts from your network and the pages you follow. When you tap the like button on a post, it's a simple way to show support. If you realize you didn't mean to like something, don't worry. Just click the like button again on that same post. The highlighted icon will return to normal and your reaction will be removed instantly. This is the fastest fix for accidental likes you spot immediately in your feed. If you want to remove a reaction from a post you interacted with a while back, you can still do that with a few quick clicks. Go to your profile by clicking the Me icon at the top of LinkedIn, then choose View Profile. On your profile, scroll to the Activity section. This is where LinkedIn groups everything you've done recently, like posts, comments, and reactions. Click Show All Posts to open the full activity view. From there, select Reactions. This tab lists all the posts you've reacted to, including likes and other reaction types. Find the post you want to update, click the reaction again, and it will be removed. You'll see the change reflected right away, and the post will no longer show your like. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If you have a lot of activity, you might need to scroll a bit in the Reactions tab to find older items, but the list is organized to help you locate them. Interface labels can occasionally shift with updates, but the Me icon, View Profile, Activity, Show All Posts, and Reactions are the key areas to look for. Removing a reaction doesn't notify the post's author. It simply clears your engagement from that post and from your visible activity. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to remove a like immediately from your feed and how to clean up older reactions from your activity. If this was helpful, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.